मेटाबॉलिज्म देख रहे हैं हम लोग। मेटाबॉलिज्म जो होता है वो किसी भी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म के अंदर का बेसिक प्रॉपर्टीज कहा जाता है। इवन आपको पता होना चाहिए कि ये एक डिफाइनिंग प्रॉपर्टीज है। अब डिफाइनिंग प्रॉपर्टीज इट मीन्स व्हाट? नो एक्सेप्शन। आपको ऐसा कोई भी ऑर्गेनिज्म नहीं मिलेगा जिसमें ये प्रॉपर्टीज नहीं पाया जाए। नाउ हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि व्हाट इज मेटाबॉलिज्म एक्चुअली। सो वी कैन डिफाइन इट all the biochemical reactions which occur in living organism up to cellular level। सेलुलर लेवल पे जितने भी बायोकेमिकल रिएक्शंस होते हैं लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म के अंदर में, दैट ऑल आर इंक्लूडेड इन मेटाबॉलिज्म। नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट बात क्या होगा भाई? मेटाबॉलिज्म इंक्लूडेड टू टाइप्स ऑफ रिएक्शंस। वन इज कॉल्ड एनाबॉलिज्म, अनदर वन इज कॉल्ड कैटाबॉलिज्म। So anabolism and catabolism. So anabolism is what? It is formative reactions. We can also say it constructive reactions. Whereas catabolism is what? It is destructive reactions. Destructive reactions. So in anabolism, if we consider about anabolism, so something get formed inside the living body by the enzymatic activity, because all the metabolic reaction must be required enzyme also. In anabolism, formation of any types of material take place, like a small molecules able to form large molecules. So if formation of large molecule take place by small molecules, it must require energy. It requires what? Energy. And the form of energy which is required by living body, that must be ATP. So I have some examples also. If we consider about amino acid is the what? It is a smaller molecule of protein, and this amino acid get converted into keratin, which occur in our hairs. So formation of keratin by amino acid, it is a kind of what? Anabolic reaction. If we consider about glucose, so this glucose get converted into glycogen inside the liver. This is also considered as what? Anabolism, and this process is also required energy in the form of what? ATP. Even amino acid get converted into enzymes. As you know that all the enzymes are commonly proteins. So amino acid get converted into enzyme, a smaller molecule, larger molecules, this also required ATP. So this is also the process included in what? Anabolism. Now if we consider about the catabolism, so it is what? It is a destructive process. It means what? larger molecules get converted into smaller molecules, and for conversion of larger molecules into smaller molecules, ATP released in this process. So in anabolism ATP is required, but in catabolism ATP is released. Now I have some examples also. So protein get converted into what? Amino acid. So here protein is what? Polymer, and amino acid was monomer. So for this process what? Release ATP in the form of energy. If we consider about lipid, so lipid get converted into what? Fatty acid, and even glycerol also, plus ATP as a form of energy. If we consider about carbohydrate, so carbohydrate get converted into glucose, plus what? ATP. You all hear about glucose. Glucose get converted into what? Pyruvic acid, plus 2 ATPs produced under this process. So these all process. Here glucose is what? 6 carbon, where pyruvic acid is what? 3 carbon compound. So these all processes are catabolism. Now, one more important thing about metabolism is that metabolism can be processed in vitro process. In vitro process means what? Outside the cell. Cell-free system. Cell-free system के अंदर भी मेटाबॉलिज्म को किया जा सकता है. इन विट्रो प्रोसेस है. You can perform metabolic reaction in a test tube. Okay, so this is about what? Metabolism. Now next topic is what? Next topic is consciousness.